Hello everyone, and welcome back to Poppy Seed Mini. I can tell you've all been enjoying miniaturizing some of these Make It Minis. So today we're at it again. We're going to miniaturize the Hello Kitty Make It Mini food. And don't miss our bonus craft, because I'm going to show you how I made this cute little Hello Kitty headband. So let's get crafting. But first, let's check one of these out, because to be honest, I haven't even opened one yet. Alrighty, let's see what's inside. Ooh. All right, so in our first bag here, we have all the little pieces for the surprise ball. So the surprise ball comes with some little feet so that it'll stand up, and you just pop them into the back like so. And then it's got the little Hello Kitty ears, which I believe go on this side. As I said, I haven't opened one of these yet. It's got a little table and this little pink, what would you call this thing? Boy, like a curtain? That's not quite what I'm going for. So there's the surprise ball itself. My goodness, what a display. And then instead of a regular table, we get a little Hello Kitty table with this pink stand. And I wonder what else you could use the stand for, because it's super cute. That pops in the back and can sit right inside like so. It also came with this cute little mini post all about Hello Kitty. How cute is that? Do you guys like Hello Kitty? I'm kind of a Hello Kitty fan. All right, and then we got this cute little Hello Kitty strawberry hat coaster. But what are we making here? All right. Oh, Hello Kitty tray. That's cute. And a bunch of this comes in the cutest little Hello Kitty tissue paper. Next, oh, it's whipped cream with a little Hello Kitty on there. And they're little strawberries on whipped cream. Okay, those are cute. And what else are we getting here? Oh, these are the little milk cups. How cute is that? All right. Put those on our tray here. And we got our Hello Kitty milk. Oh, that's cute too. We also get little Hello Kitty straws with bows on them, and our little strawberry milkshake mix. Cute, 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 cute. That's it. I might have to get more of these Hello Kitties, man. They are a little cuter than they thought they were gonna be. Okay, what else? Oh, man. Even the spoon has a little Hello Kitty on it. Oh. And we get our classic Make It Mini tongs, but they're red. There are 12 total to collect, and there's quite a few fun little items in this collection. I love the ramen noodles. I think that's so cute. And the little cups here. Oh. And this is the one we got today, the little strawberry milk. All right, that was all super cute, but I'm ready to get crafting. How about you? To get the printable for today's project, you can visit my blog at poppyseedmini.blogspot.com. And as always, the link will be in the description box below. And I like to print mine on this double-sided brochure paper. I just get a super nice print, and it's glossy and looks like real packaging. To make the box, cut it out. Make sure to leave white for the side tabs. And I like to cut it out and then fold everything down before I cut the tabs out. All right, so I have the top and bottom folded, and then I go back and cut out the side tabs, and I cut them at a slight angle. Once the 4 tabs are cut, then I fold the rest of the box up. If you would like an open hole to be able to reach into your box and grab the miniature balls out, this is when I cut out the hole. You can of course create the box without cutting the hole out. Next, using a glue stick, I glue down the side tab first, and then to glue down the bottom, since I cut the hole in it, I want to make sure my bottom pieces are sticking down completely. So I make sure to glue my tabs together. And then I fold down the back. Oh, I'm going to also add glue to the back flap so that that sticks to those tabs. And then add glue to that and fold down the front, like so. And for the top, fold the flaps down, push down the back tab, add glue, and fold down the front, like so. Now we need to make the miniature balls, and my mom has some extra tips and tricks for us today. Cut out the images of the balls and take the extra side piece and cut it into strips. Once you have cut out the ball images, you can stack a few and cut little tabs all the way around. To shape the prints, take 2 layers of craft foam and use a styling tool and roll it around until the image is curved. Next, curve up the red strip so it will curve nicely around your bead. Cut a piece the width of your bead. I'm using 1/2-inch wooden beads for this project. Now, using glossy accents for my glue, I glue the strip around the bead. Let it dry. Then you'll glue on the front image, curving down all the tabs. And I glue on the back image the same way. And now you've got your little miniature Make It Mini Hello Kitty balls to put in your box. Now I'll show you how I made the Hello Kitty headband. I just cut the shape of a cat ear out of some white craft foam. And I'm going to use my first one as a pattern so that they both turn out the same. And I round the side that's going to sit on the headband. Then I grabbed a headband from one of my Barbie fashion packs. And this one has a little red bow, so I thought it'd be perfect. And then I'm just going to use a little hot glue to stick them in place. And now you have a super cute headband for your dolls. Hey everyone, New Year's is coming up and we're starting to make our list of what we're going to make for next year. So if you have any fun ideas or things you'd like to see us make, please let us know in the comments down below. Well, I sure hope you all enjoy today's episode of Poppy Seed Mini. We hope you'll like, comment, share, and subscribe. And have fun crafting and collecting.